Rightio team battlers, you're going to look forward to this one. This one's called the Rolling Maul Challenge, which I know both of you have been looking forward to immensely. We've got 3 balls on the back, placed on kicking tees. Ethan, you're going to drive around the flags, come back in. At least 1 ball still has to be on a kicking tee upon your return. If not, if there's any stage where all 3 are off, looks like you're outside in the rain, putting them back on. Got it?
Got it.
Sweet as. Might as well get into it. On your marks, get set, go.
You're good, go faster. Yeah, go faster. You're good. Yep.
All good?
Keep going fast, yep.
You're kidding me, the ball hasn't fallen off.
We're good.
Yep, we're good, we're good. Oh, keep going, keep going, keep going. Stop, 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 stop.
Oh, we're off.
I got this. Oh my god. I gotta wet my seatbelt. Okay, slow, slow, slow.
Is this just slow and steady this man?
Yeah. Slow, slow, very slow, and then you can go fast. Keep going slow. Yeah. Go, go, go. Yeah. Keep going, keep going.
How many's on?
There's 3, just go. That was that corner.
You're telling me he came from there to there and nothing fell off?
Yo, we're good. 3 balls.
Great work, guys. Minute 17.
Not bad. Hopefully we can get the win.
Great placing there, Kaipua.
Thank you, thank you.
Wonderful
yeah.
work there on the replacement. That'll be competitive, I reckon.
Sweet. I'm surprised. I don't believe it.
Rightio team, 117 defeat. Doable?
How are you?
Definitely.
I'd love to see it with no readjustment either.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's what we're aiming for.
And I'll tell you what, you'd be pretty keen on that in these conditions too, Dupes.
Yeah.
Staying in the
I'm
back
the one
seat,
that has
nice
to
and
get
dry. Ready to go. 3, 2, 1, away.
He's steady, does it. No rush. Yeah, 117, maybe a smidge faster.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. They are honestly just looking strong. Yeah,
Okay.
you just keep going. Still looking strong. Still looking strong. And now we're just chilling around there. Yep.
Oh, they're doing good. It's the corner.
I want
They're gonna fall. They're definitely fall, surely.
Yeah, they're still on. Bring it around, bring it around, bring it around, bring it around. Keep going, keep going. Yeah, they're still there. Yeah, that's happy days there.
Good? Are we good?
Yeah, we're still so good. Yeah, take it away. Take it home. 3, 2, keep going a bit more, and done. Yep.
Do you reckon you beat him?
Talk to me, sir.
You didn't just beat him.
Yeah, we
We've pumped it.
You've smoked him. 47 seconds. No readjustments.
What can't we do?
Does that officially make you the best driver here?
Probably.
I reckon, yeah. She's done a great job today.
Team Dupes wins another one, and Amy, at 47 seconds, has set a new record here. Rightio, one more challenge.
Woo!